How to backup and restore data in HarmonyOS 5 system. You can backup and restore data through Huawei Phone Assistant. Let's see how to operate. Huawei Phone Assistant Data Backup. On your computer, use a browser to search, download, and install HiSuite Huawei Phone Assistant from Huawei Consumer Business official website. On your phone, tap Settings, tap the device name, and tap Software version 7 times consecutively. A pop-up will appear to enable developer options. Select Confirm Restart and Enable. After restarting, you will enter developer mode. Go to Settings, tap System, tap Developer Options. Turn on USB debugging switch and select Allow when the Allow USB debugging pop-up appears. On the computer's Huawei Phone Assistant, select HarmonyOS Next and later versions. Connect your phone to the computer using a Type-C cable. Select Allow this time or always allow debugging from this computer. In the USB connection method pop-up, select Transfer Files or Charging Only. The phone will automatically display the Huawei Phone Assistant interface. Tap Agree, select Connect, and the phone will display a verification code. Enter this verification code on the computer. Click Connect Now. Click Data Backup. On the phone, enter your lock screen password for security verification. On the computer's data backup interface, select the data items you want to backup or click Select All to choose all items. Click the edit icon at the top, select the backup location, click Start Backup. The phone will display a backup encryption interface. Enter and confirm your password, click OK. The computer will automatically perform the backup until completion. Wait for the backup to complete and confirm whether the backup is complete according to the backup report information. Huawei Phone Assistant Data Recovery. After completing the device connection, click Data Recovery on the computer's Phone Assistant interface. Select the list and data you need to restore from the backed up data file list. Click Start Recovery. Enter the backup password on your phone. Wait for the recovery to complete. 小红书